Hi, my little angels. How are you? Everybody, come in, come in. I'm so excited today. I was just using our new cherry blossom mic cover that we made. I love it. And I'll tell you what else I love. I got a package today, guys, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So, everybody come close. You don't want to be far away this time. You want to be close. I am going to pass it around to everyone. Yeah, sit there. Sure. Yeah, just pull up the cushion. That's fine. Yeah, awesome, guys. Okay, so at long last, I have wanted to try these for so long, and they're sponsoring us, guys. I love this, so I can't wait to show this to you guys. Dossier perfumes, and you know how much I have been looking forward to this. You know how much I love my scents and my perfume. I see some new people. Hello, my new little angels. How are you? I'm so glad that you decided to come, and today is a perfect day. You get to see the dossier. You get to hear what I think of it. I have a few other things to show you. I'm so glad that you decided to come. So please give it a thumbs up, share it. Comments are amazing. We love the comments on this channel. It helps us to connect, to interact with each other. I love knowing what you think. I love your video suggestions. Please, and hit that subscribe button below too, please. And hello, my returning little angels. I see you. And thank you so much for always coming back. And please, if you're comfortable, keep those comments coming. Because you know, when we comment and interact like that, we take this great big world and go and make it smaller. And that's such a good thing, you guys. It really is. And please make sure you're subscribed. Okay, thank you. Let's get into this. I am so excited. So I don't know which one is which. I haven't looked. But it says Dossier. And for those of you that don't know, Dossier is a perfume company, scent company, and they have male, female, unisex fragrances, and you choose the one you want, and they're inspired by other scents, and I can't wait to smell them, and they're a fraction of the cost of the other scents. So let's get this started. Okay, there we go. I've seen this so many times on other people's videos, and now it's on mine. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Okay, so this one is Fruity Magnolia. Ooh, I can't wait. Look at that. I love how clean bottles are. They're just sleek, you know. And I'm going to show you something that I never hear people talk about, but it's something important to me. They don't do what a lot of perfume companies do. Flat bottom. There's none of this divot or dimple, whatever you want to call it. And you think you're getting that much, and you're really not. You're getting what you see, which I think is awesome. So this one is Fruity Magnolia. And I'm going to get out my... And it's perfume. And it says... It's inspired by Versace's bright crystals. Well, we know I love my crystals, and I love saying Versace, so there we go. Now, the top notes are pomegranate, yuzu, and aquatic accord. Ooh, I love that idea. The middle notes are magnolia, peony, and rose. I love peonies, love them. The base notes are amber, musk, and acajou wood. And this is what I love. They put on the cards. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thanks for giving us a try. And you know what I really love, guys? Look at this. Look at this. It's in all these different languages. I love how inclusive Dossier is. That's important to me in a company. It really is. Okay, let's try this out, shall we? Okay. So, Fruity Magnolia. Ooh. Oh, I like this. Let's spray it, shall we? Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, that smells so good. That's oh! I did not know that about these bottles. The cap and this are magnetic. You know what that means? You can never have it evaporate on you. That's happened to me where I thought the cap was on and my perfume evaporated. That is smart marketing. That is such a good design. I love that. Oh, I love this perfume. It smells, now for me, perfume is memories. Okay. And I totally smell it. It's floral without that punch you in the face flower. I like floral, obviously, but I don't like that punch you in the face. This is so pretty. Like, it just smells pretty, but it reminds me so much. Okay, I'm going to tell you the story. It reminds me of being over on a bridge, and when my husband and I got engaged, we went to Stratford, and we had dinner, and then we went for a walk, and there's a wooden bridge over the lake, and the swans swim under it, and there must have been peonies in bloom, and definitely roses, and I could smell that, and I could smell the water. It's intoxicating, and that's what this smells like to me. That's exactly what this reminds me of. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is a scent. I would wear this all year round. But definitely summertime, definitely. And it's a daytime to evening smell, that's for sure. I am so happy with this. But you know, if you're not happy, you can return them. I know, I don't know who would, because these smell amazing, but scents are finicky, you know. But I'm so pleased with this one. Okay, so the next one we have, let's open this one up. The Ambery Saffron. And this is inspired by MFK's Baccarat Rouge. Baccarat Rouge retails for like over $400, okay? I want to try this. Definitely want to try this. So same thing, completely full bottle. There's none of this, you know, where it's down here and flat bottom. I love that. Magnetic. I love this. Oh my gosh, guys, that smells so good. I'm going to spray it on this. Oh, I can tell you right now that's exactly what this smells like, because I remember we were in Mexico and we decided to have a spa day, and Uncle Angel was getting a massage and I was getting a facial, and I was sitting beside a woman and she smelled so good. So I'm literally sitting there trying not to go, you know, because that's rude. So I did say to her, your fragrance is lovely. And I remember her saying to me that it was Baccarat Rouge. When I smelled this bottle, I was there. I was right back in that chair. I could smell it. It's truly intoxicating. It is, there's a little bit of spice in it. It's sexy, but fresh at the same time. And it makes me feel beautiful. It does. She was classy and elegant, but she was wearing the most fun t-shirt too, so it was like the best of all worlds. And when I smell this, that's what I smell and that's what I feel. Because perfume should make you feel, right? Oh, thank you so much, Dossier. I appreciate your faith in me. Thank you. And I love these scents. And I can't wait for you guys to try them too. There is going to be a discount code in the description. So please check it out. I can't be more happy with Dossier. And you guys know how picky I am about my perfumes and my scents and my fragrances. And this is awesome. I just love it. I love the packaging too. Because you know how I feel about companies that over package. They're not good for the environment. This is amazing for the environment. I love this so much. Okay guys, thank you so much, Dossier. Appreciate everything. But while we're on the subject of feeling good about ourselves, I have a few things to show you that I hope you'll enjoy. Now, if you watched the chakra video, the guided meditation that I did previously today, you'll recognize these. These are Artful affirmation cards that I got from Etsy. And this is from a company, DNA Grow. And these are called the Artful affirmation cards. And they're beautiful. They're simply beautiful. So beautiful. And these cards have the most beautiful, beautiful designs on them. This is my all-time favorite. That's my very, very favorite. I mean, look at them. And each day, oh, I'm going to pick one for us. Don't worry. I just want to show you a few. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to pick one at random. We're going to read it. Okay, so there we go. Ah, graceful. Exactly the one I said I loved. So this is the affirmation. What happens is you pick a card, and this is your affirmation for the day. Now, baby Angel came home in between her spares, and she was having a rough day. So I said, pick a card, see what you get. She got one that was perfect for her. So she took a picture of it with her phone so that she could have it with her throughout the day. Smart girl, that girl. I carry myself with grace, exuding elegance and poise in every step I take. Grace flows through my interactions, leaving a positive impact on those around me. With a gentle heart, I embrace life's challenges with dignity, radiating a tranquil presence. And that's going to lead into the next thing I want to show you. But I have to tell you guys, I've bought affirmation cards before. I'm not sponsored by them, only by Dossier, not by this company. These are very reasonable. I highly recommend these. These are anti-angel approved. So the next thing I wanted, I think I showed you, I bought the Fox Gratitude Journal. Okay, that thing is too intimidating. It's like homework. It's like writing essays, and no, it just turned me right off. But I saw this on Etsy, and this is by Jessie Boy Blue, and it's a mind and soul journal. What got me, I'm telling you now, was the cover, the quotation on the cover, and the fact that it's spiral bound and it's soft. It's not intimidating, you know. It's inviting. Sometimes when you're in a dark place, you think you've been buried, but actually you've been planted. I love that. I love it. And it has a quotation at the beginning by Marcus Aurelius. What a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. I love that. And it's so true, guys. But this is what the pages look like, and they're so easy to do. So there's 2 pages a day. You write in the date. You don't want to do it every day, that's okay. It doesn't have to be consecutive. And it's a new day. What am I feeling lately? Okay. What am I most excited about? Well, that was easy. The dossier was for me today. What has been giving me energy? What has been draining me of energy? 3 things I am focused on. And this is one of my favorite ones. 3 things I'm proud of. I love focusing on stuff like that. And then the positive affirmation would go here. You can write your own, or you can do what I'm going to do and use these. And then you have all this space to write what you're grateful for. And if you only need 1 line, use 1 line, guys. Nobody's grading it. This is for you to feel better about your day and to help you do something for you. Okay. And again, reasonably priced. Very. Now, the last thing I want to show you, I've ordered this specifically for our channel because I thought of the great sounds it would make. So these are called stacking blocks, and I'm just going to reach in and show you each one. There's 12 of them. Blessed, or blessed, however you want to pronounce it. Blessed, blessed. In a heart shape, I love that. And then this one, believe. These are so lightweight, guys. I'm telling you, it's like holding air almost. But they smell like a campfire. Okay. And then the next one. And you can stack them in any way you want. You can hold them in your hand and focus on the word. Forgive. Forgive. You know forgiveness is important in this channel. Let's see, what else do we have? Hope. My favorite word. You guys know that. I have 2, hope and yet. Yet, because it changes any sentence. Put yet at the end, turn a negative into a positive. But hope, okay, my OGs, come on. What does hope stand for? Hold on, pain ends. That's right. And then, breathe. Just breathe. I like breathing right now because I can smell the Dossier perfumes. They smell so good. And then pause. Pause is a good one. Sometimes we have to take a pause during the day. And this one is aspire. Aspire. We can always aspire to something, right? This one is love. I love love. And then, what's this one? This one is family. We love family. Family's not always who you're born into. Sometimes we make our own. Remember. We have 2 more. This one is let go. And sometimes, guys, we just have to let go. Letting go and giving up are 2 very different things, guys. And this one is relax. 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 Don't do it. Sorry. 80s girl, sorry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you again so much to Dossier. I can't thank them enough. I'm so excited. And don't forget, my discount code for you guys will be in the description below. And guys, as always, I love you. I value you. I honor you. And I'm so very, very glad that you were born.